Loop electrode. Category accessory. Use resecting tissue during TURP or TURB. Additional information. Fit various mix of resectoscope. Stone retrieval basket. Category grasping. Use retrieving and removing. Length 90 cm or 115 cm. Additional information. Several style or performing the same function. Shaft diameter is 3 French is most style. Resectoscope. Category cutting. Use cutting and coagulating tissue during TURP or TURB. Additional information. Used with various style of cutting loops depending on procedure. Filiforms and followers. Category accessory filiform and dilating followers. Use filiform get past difficult structure. Followers dilate and drain. Length 12.5 inch or 18 inch. Additional information. Filiform are used to get past of the structure and then the followers are passed to dilate urethra and drain bladder. Filiform range from 2 French to 6 French are available with a straight spring or cord tip. Followers range from 10 French to 24 French are available with a straight or cowed tips. Cystoscope. Category viewing. Use viewing into the bladder during transurethral procedure. Additional information. Use with various scope 0 degree, 30 degree or 70 degree depending on the procedure. Microinvasive evacuator. Category suctioning. Use removing fluid, blood clots, tissue and calculi from the bladder during procedures such as TURP or bladder biopsy. Additional information. Single patient style before using. Fill evacuator with saline. Filter traps tissue specimen. Alic evacuator. Category suctioning. Use removing fluid, blood clots, tissue and calculi from the bladder during procedures such as TURP or bladder biopsy. Additional information. Glass body with rubber bulb and tubing before using. Remove air by filling bulb and glass bowl with saline. Young bifid retractor. Category retracting. Use retracting prostate. Length 8 inch. Additional information. Nose to fit around urethra. Loosely prostatic retractor. Category retracting. Use inserted through bladder. Pushes prostate down towards perineum. Length 13 inch. Additional information. Curved or straight. Young bulb retractor. Category retracting. Use retracting prostate. Length 8.5 inch. Additional information. Nose to fit around urethra. Van Buren urethral sound, also known as Van Buren dilator. Category dilating. Use dilating the urethra. Length 10.5 inch. Additional information. 8 French to 40 French diameter. Arrange on a back table according to size, starting with the smallest. Magenbaum scissor, also known as MATS. Category cutting. Use blunt tissue dissection. Length 7, 9, 10 inch. Additional information. Delicate blades do not use for cutting suture drains heavy tissue. Jorgensen scissor. Category cutting. Use cutting heavy tissue. Length 9 inch. Additional information. Curved blades. Church scissor. Category cutting. Use blunt tissue dissection. Length 4 inch. Additional information. No edge on blades. Dual blades. Bishop Harmon forceps. Category grasping. Use grasping delicate tissue. Length 3.5 inch. Additional information. 1/2 teeth. Delicate jaw. Gerald tissue forceps. Category grasping. Use grasping delicate tissue. Length 7 inch. Additional information: 1 into 2 teeth, delicate jaw. Tying forceps. Category: grasping. Use: tying small suture. Length: 4 inch. Additional information: straight or curved jaw. Some have 1 or 2 teeth. Gerald bipolar forceps. Category: accessory. Use: coagulating small blood vessel. Length: 5.75 inch. Additional information: delicate, narrow tips, bayonet shaped handle. Marlis Jansen bipolar forceps. Category: accessory. Use: coagulating fine vessels. Length: 7.5 inches. Additional information: bayonet shaped handle also available. Dandy nerve hook. Category: retracting. Use: retracting of nerves. Length: 8.5 inch. Additional information: blunt tip. Tip can be angled straight, left or right. Malleable catheter stylet. Category: accessory. Use: stylet for catheter insertion. Additional information: blunt tip, malleable 4 French or 6 French diameter. Cushing vein retractor. Category: retracting. Use: retracting blood vessels. Length: 8 to 12 inches. Additional information: solid or ring handle. Blade width 8 mm to 18 mm. McDougall pedicle clamp. Category: clamping. Use: clamping heavy tissue or pedicles. Length: 10 inch. Additional information: full double curve. Mayo Guyan clamp, also known as Guyan Mayo vessel clamp. Category: clamping. Use: clamping heavy tissue or organs. Length: 9.25 inch. Additional information: heavy jaw double curve. Randall forceps, also known as kidney stone forceps. Category: grasping. Use: grasping stones or polyps. Length: 9 inches. Additional information: standard or long, 1/4, 1/2, 3/4 or full curved jaw.